Hi, it's Larry Gaines from Options on the Open. We're the leaders in day trading and swing trading using options, and it is our goal to make you consistent, impressive returns trading each and every day. Well, on my last video, I introduced the power cycle day trading model, and that particular video kind of outlined the model and what you would get. And this particular trading model is what we use for all of our trading at Options on the Open. And it's something I use for all my trading as well, just in general. But I wanted to provide you with more details about the trading system and the trades that it takes. If you are inconsistent, struggling with your trading, this system will really get you back on track and will, bring you that much-needed confidence back to your trading. So to clarify what the trades look like, I wanted to show you some trades that were triggered this past Friday, September 16th, showing you the S&P futures 500, S&P 500 futures, and an ETF of the Russell 2000, which is the IWM, and just one stock, Goldman Sachs. So I'm just going to show you these three examples of trade triggers using this system to give you an idea of what it looks like. Now, this is the December futures contract for the S&P 500. This is the E-mini September futures, and I wanted to show you this contract because this system works across all asset classes, futures, forex, whatever your interest is to trade. There are several of our members at Options on the Open that use this system, and they trade the S&P futures. So I just wanted to show you how precise the entries are for this particular system. So here's the first entry that I just want to point out. This came at about 7:30 Central on September 16th, and you can see it entered right here, and then you had this just huge move to the upside. So I'm not showing you exits, I'm just showing the entries because there are a lot of different zones, exit zones that we use. So just wanted to show you the power of the entries. The second entry came here right around right about 9 o'clock Central. Now this particular trade, when we're trading at Options on the Open and when I'm day trading, I will not trade around numbers. So at 9 o'clock Central we had the Michigan sentiment number came out. So what we would tend to do would be wait until after that number. So you can see that the number came out right here, spiked down, then spiked, that came down, then came back up. But this signal, the entry remains short even through this movement back up. So what I tend to do when I'm trading, I'll wait for the number to pass, then I'll see how that settles out, and if it's still close to the signal, I'll get back in. But for this particular trade trigger, it did trigger short, and it actually stayed in the short and didn't get out. So you had this move down here. Then you had an entry long right here at about 10:30 Central. You can see a nice move up, but you can see how clear and precise these entry levels are. Then you had a short right here. Now the other thing too is also remember that the first usually hour to 2 hours of trading in the morning are going to be the best time. You'll get most liquidities in the market. You'll have all the big players there. The markets are trying to adjust to figure out the intraday trend. So your best signals usually on any particular trading systems will be that first hour to hour and a half. So this time frame right here. But I just wanted to go show you the triggers that it had throughout the day. So these were the first three. This would be your first hour and a half. So you can see how great that trigger was. This trigger to the upside. Then you had later in the day you had a short trigger. Then you had this long trigger, went sideways to down, and then went back up. Then you had a short trigger, came down, then you had a long trigger right at the end of the day. So all in all, they were all really great entry zones, and that was for the S&P futures. So the next one I'll show you is the Russell 2000 ETF IWM. So once again, here's the IWM, and it was triggered at about 9 o'clock, right on that Michigan sentiment number, had that spike down, came back up, and then fell back off again. Then it had a long entry at 10:30, nice move up. Short entry at about 12:10, 12:15, great trend down, long entry at 1 o'clock, a little bit of a trend up, then down, but the lows were higher, trend back up, short entry there, and then a long entry to cap off the day. So that was for the IWM. Now this last one is on Goldman Sachs GS, and the first entry was to the short side right here at 9:05 Central, right after the number, and then it had a long entry at about 10:35, 10:40. Nice move up. Then another short entry at around 12:15, 12:10, moved down. Long entry at around 1, kind of moved up sideways, then moved back up. Short entry around 4:10, 2:10, excuse me, and then a long entry to finish the day off on this move up. So just to give you kind of a highlight on 3 different particular asset classes: a futures, an ETF, and a stock. So just to give you some clarity on what it would look like when you're trading the power cycle day trading model, the entries. Now if you hate to lose, you're going to love this system. So take advantage now of this special promotional package for the power cycle day trading model. And as a bonus, you will receive a 1-month membership to Options on the Open, which is our virtual trading desk. And that's open every day, each and every day, all day. You will also receive an upgraded membership where you'll have access to all educational trading materials on the site. And then you will get another really great course which will teach you how to select the best option strike prices for your trades. And this course is called Option Trading Made Simple. So come join me and get started on improving your trading today. And I look forward to working with you as you become a member of Options on the Open. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading this coming week.